Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to submit proposals in Upwork for beginners. First, you need to create a strong profile. Use a profile that is professional and that is a clear headshot. Write a clear and compelling title. In your overview, mention your skills, experience, and what makes you stand out. Tailor it to the jobs you plan to apply for. Next, list relevant skills, making sure they align with the types of jobs you are targeting. Add samples of your work if possible. If you don't have previous experience, create mock projects to showcase your skills. Next, go to Find Work section and search for jobs based on your skills. Filter results based on your preferences, for example, hourly, fixed rate, and experience level. Next, review job details. Carefully read the job descriptions to understand the client's requirements. Pay attention to the budget, deadlines, and any specific instructions in the job post. For example, the client might ask you to mention a specific word in your proposal to ensure you read the entire description. Next, your proposal should be specific to the job you're applying for. For greetings, address the client by name if available. Briefly introduce yourself, your experience, and why you're a good fit for this particular job. Highlight your experience related to the job. If you are a beginner, focus on your skills and enthusiasm to deliver quality work. Be specific about how you plan to complete the project. This shows the client you've thought about their needs. Next is to encourage the client to reach out to discuss further. Include samples of your work if they're relevant to the job. Since you're a beginner, start by offering competitive rates. Over time, as you've built your reputation and reviews, you can gradually increase your pricing. Once your proposal is written and the rate is set, click Submit Proposal. Make sure to review your proposal before submitting, track your job submissions, and follow up if necessary. And then that's it, everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.